gonna wash the dishes. You're gonna wash the dishes. Okay. Ayaw magpababa nito, kaya kasama natin siya maghugas ng dishes. What about that? Gusto nito. Okay. Tapos na. You wanna say bye?